So before we move on to our next exercise, don't forget to just put the lines of code that was successful for you and just put them in a text file. That way, when you do all the exercises, you'll have all the code, and I'll just simply copy it on my end, and I'll paste it to my own browser, and then see what happens. And I should see your changes here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So to change the book cover, same process. We have to right-click it, inspect it, and here's the image tag responsible for the book cover. In particular, it's this source attribute that points to where the picture is on the internet. So let's change that. Okay, so first we have to grab the node element. Because it does not have an ID, we can just simply use this class here. So Control C, let's go to the console. Okay, and notice some of you in the in-class exercise, you may have wondered why it wasn't working for you. That's because I noticed some of you may have copied two classes. So you may have had one class here and some other class here named, but the way query selector works is if you're going to use two classes, you should not have a space there. You should have like a dot there. Okay, but because for our example, we don't need two classes because we only have the one class. Okay, let's test to see if we have it. We do have it. So let's see what happens if we reassign the source to something else. So let's go to images.google. Here is the image I want. And let's just paste that into the source attribute and see what happens.